Hello everybody, I am Vivian Simmons, member of the EL Teacher Network in North Carolina. I would like to show you what I have been doing as far as remote teaching for my students. For our elementary school students, the teachers per grade level have created Facebook private groups which parents can join by request only. The teachers are in charge of posting one video per week per course subject. This includes ELA, math, science, and social studies. Now for ESL, I have been asked to create a video per week or every 2 weeks, since we are not trying to overwhelm parents with many videos. So I'm creating mine every 2 weeks, and I am using an application called Quicktime Player, which is this big Q that you see here at the bottom. I would like to share this with you because, believe it or not, I just learned how to do this about 3 weeks ago, so this is very exciting for me. I did not know how to create a video before. So anyway, it's QuickTime Player, and you will find it in your MacBook. I believe you will be able to download it in any other computer, no problem. So once I right-click on this, you will see the options. Now I want you to click on New Screen Recording. New Screen Recording will record your voice and whatever you have on your screen. So it is good to have everything prepped so that you can show exactly what you want your students to see as you go along. I use Keynote, this other application at the bottom, to create the slides with the vocabulary I would like to preview and the assignments that I would like them to check. And all of this that you see here right now is the slides in Keynote. So I will introduce the topic by briefly stating what the content and language objectives are and the activities we will work on. The slides show the activities in detail. They will have the links that I will be using for my reading. And in this case, I am using a book from epic.com about recycling. And this is the vocabulary that we'll preview with the students. So I will have the pictures here, the words, and the definitions. So when you're creating your video, you can talk through this, explain the definitions of each word, and work on the pronunciation of each one of those. So whatever you're working on, you can focus on the ending of the words. You can talk about some of these other patterns at the beginning and how it will sound, whatever you see fit for your specific situation. So after previewing the vocabulary, I will talk about the assignments and what we will be doing, or what I expect them to do at home. Sorry about that. Now, I used for my first video a book from epic.com. I emailed them and asked for permission, and they said that as long as this goes to a private page and this video is deleted after the remote teaching is over, I will not be infringing upon copyright laws. However, through the video, as I talk, I will mention this to the students and give credit to the sites that I use. I will talk, stop wherever is necessary to explain a concept, a vocabulary word, check on pronunciation or spelling patterns, and keep moving on. Now, what I like about Epic is that I can create quizzes at the end, and I'll show you in a minute. And that will help students check for comprehension and even incorporate a little bit of math at the end by asking them to figure out how much is each question worth if the total score will be 100. Just to give you an example. So in this case, with my third graders, I was talking about persuasive writing, and I also linked a short explanatory video from YouTube right here. And I will have the writing piece at the end with, of course, sentence starters. So again, I will walk them through the words that I would like to check with them first before we go to the reading, show them what we have been doing, then go to the reading. We are not going to listen to all of this, but I will show you how this works. You will just put your hyperlink here and you will go straight to the page. So all you need to do is talk through, and this Quicktime Player will be recording everything you say. Now this is an audiobook. I'll stop this right here, and they will find the words that I previewed in the Keynote slides right here. And when we are done, we will go to the quiz. Start the quiz, and then again I will talk through this, ask those math questions, give them a little bit of time to answer, and then start the quiz. The quiz will have multiple choice, and we will just check them together at the end. Okay, now let's go back to this. After I finish working on that, I will go to assignment number 3, which is the writing piece. And to give them a little bit more, I will show them a video that is related to the topic I'm covering. So in this case, this is a short YouTube video. It's about 1.5 minutes. So I'm trying to do this as brief as possible. Now, this is a good explanation or reminder for them that what they're seeing in that Facebook close page is a video, so they can pause and go back and review it anytime. Now, these videos will be about 15 to 20 minutes long and can be saved in my desktop and be directly uploaded to the Facebook page. Now, at the end, I will give them the prompt to work on the writing piece with sentence starters, and that will be the end of the lesson. Now, probably the question most of you have is, so how do you ensure that all students watch the video and work on the assignments? And the answer is, this is simply beyond my control. We have some students that still do not have a device at home, neither internet, and the district is working to give them a device, but there are some areas that still do not have internet service. Now, all we can do is keep in touch with the families by calling them and checking if they are working on printed packets that were delivered at the end of last month. Then little by little, we are having more families join the Facebook pages, but we need to be patient since this is new to all of us. These Facebook close pages are being used to upload these videos, like the one I show you today using Quicktime Player, post information for parents about Zoom meetings that homeroom teachers are holding, and the answer keys to the assignments sent on the printed packets. So everybody had the opportunity to get a printed packet at home, and using this Facebook close page, we are uploading the answer keys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and, like me, learned something new. I really didn't know how to create a video, and when they asked me to create videos and post them on Facebook, I didn't know what to do. Well, Quicktime Player is a lifesaver, and if you have any questions, please post them below. Thank you.